So, we all know that pie is a delicious food made of pastry and a cool filling. But what about when we take the E off the end of the word? Then what does pie, P-I, mean? Well, it seems that mathematicians love the Greek alphabet, and pi is the name of one of the letters in the Greek alphabet. The Greeks use the letter pi to make words, but we can also use the pi symbol to mean something else, and it has to do with circles. Imagine any perfect circle, and imagine the center of that circle. The distance from the center to anywhere on the edge of the circle would always be the same. So let's look at this circle and let's imagine drawing a straight line from one end of the circle through the center to the other end of the circle. We call such a line a diameter of the circle. Also, we call the distance from one point on the edge of the circle going all the way around to the same point again the circumference. Now, imagine that the circumference of the circle is made of string, and we take a scissors to the circle and make a cut in it. Then we lay down the circumference so it's a flat line. Let's compare the two lines, the diameter and the circumference. Which is bigger, the diameter or the circumference? That's right, the circumference is bigger. You would probably agree that the circumference looks to be about 3 times as big as the diameter. In fact, let's suppose that the diameter of the circle was exactly 1 meter. If the diameter of the circle was 1 meter, then the circumference of that circle would be approximately 3.14 meters. And what if we had a smaller circle that had a diameter of 1 centimeter? For this circle, the circumference would be approximately 3.14 centimeters. And suppose there was a massive circle that had a diameter of 1 kilometer. For this circle, the circumference would be approximately 3.14 kilometers. The circumference is always approximately 3.14 times as big as the diameter. That was not invented by anyone. That's just how circles are, any circle in the universe. So, what if there was a circle with a diameter of 2 meters? In this case, the circumference would be about 3.14 plus another 3.14, so approximately 6.28 meters. And if the circle had a diameter of 3 meters, then the circumference would be about 3.14 plus another 3.14 plus another 3.14, approximately 9.42 meters. Now you can see that if you know the diameter of a circle, all you have to do is multiply it by 3.14 and you'll get the approximate circumference. A mathematician might also show this with symbols. The letter C stands for circumference. The pi symbol stands for a number that's approximately 3.14. The letter D stands for the diameter. When you put the pi symbol right next to the letter D, it means to multiply them. It means to multiply the pi number times the diameter. So, the circumference of any circle is approximately 3.14 times as big as its diameter. Now, in fact, the pi number continues beyond 3.14, but for simplicity, we'll just say about 3.14. Pi is a number that shows us the relationship between the circumference of a circle and its diameter. Pi is the number that tells us that the circumference of a circle is always approximately 3.14 times as big as its diameter. So, does pi make sense now?